I might be very sweet, but I'm like, dude, I've clocked you. I am not so easily impressed.
Don't you think you need like a partner in life, a partner in
Why?
crime, a
Why?
friend?
दोस्त हैं मेरे पास, बहुत दोस्त हैं.
Okay.
Your country has now become narrower and narrower and narrower as far as the mindset is concerned. कहना तो बहुत आसान है. Kitchen कौन चलाएगा मेरा?
सही.
I want to do a film.
हेलो एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ टी एंड टॉक. मेरा नाम है लीना शाह और आज की जो हमारी गेस्ट हैं स्टूडियोज़ में, शी इज़ द ओरिजिनल डीवा फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान. She is the super VJ, the super RJ, the super model, the super filmmaker, the super actress, the one and only, the bold and the beautiful Aisha Alam.
Oh my gosh, what an incredible introduction. I am so humbled and thank you. Jawani ke din mein.
No,
right?
you are that. I
yeah,
mean,
you're very
when
sweet.
she walked into the studio, जब वो studio में आई है, you know, everything lit up around her.
You are so sweet. No. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank
अच्छा,
you.
स्वीट आप देखने में बहुत लगती हैं, बात करने में इतनी सॉफ्ट, इतनी डेलिकेट, लेकिन यू हैव बिन फेमस फॉर बीइंग कैंडिड, फॉर हैविंग नो फिल्टर्स. तो ये जो बिटर स्वीट सिम्फनी है, हाउ हैव पीपल रिएक्टेड टू दैट इन योर टाइम्स व्हेन यू वर डूइंग ऑल दोज शोज एंड आपकी जो वाज इट नो रिजर्वेशंस?
हाँ, no reservation. But isn't that a lethal combination? कि
Yeah.
आप बहुत ही आराम से चीज़ बोल सकते हैं.
Right.
What I don't like is जो लोग चिखम चिलावा, ये वो उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप बहुत आराम से, बहुत मीठे अंदाज से आप अपनी बात आप कहलवा सकते हैं.
Right.
And I prefer no filters क्योंकि उसमें फिर आपको you know exactly where you stand.
Right.
And when I did आपने no reservations का जिक्र किया, yes, that was a very bold show. However, I always told my guests, remember, you get to choose whether you want to respond or not.
Right.
So I had some guests who said,
Right.
I don't want to answer that. And I'm like, okay, and we move on. So it's not that I would sit and cajole them and push them into a corner कि नहीं आपने इसका जवाब देना ही है. It was like you respect the guest. You give them the option. Now if a guest wants to respond, awesome. I love that.
Okay.
And I love people who are open and being willing to discuss whatever it is they want to discuss.
लेकिन आपके सामने बैठकर when cameras are looking at you, ये कहना I don't want to respond to it, भाई नहीं, रिस्पॉन्स ना देना भी बहुत बड़ा रिस्पॉन्स होता है, उससे भी बहुत सारी बातें सामने आती हैं.
Exactly. But that's on you.
Yeah, absolutely. तो आज there's no way I can come at par with that, but मैं कोशिश करूँगी, especially
you'll
जब
do
हम
very
बात
well.
करेंगे
हाँ.
आपकी आइडेंटिटी की, you know, from this diva जिन्होंने के और ये वो टाइम है जिसके बारे में मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. ये वो टाइम है जबकि द इंडस्ट्री इज जस्ट बूमिंग इन पाकिस्तान. दिस इज द टाइम जब पहली आप वीजे, आपको पता चल रहा है कि व्हाट इज अ वीजे. ये वो टाइम है जब आपको पता चल रहा है व्हाट इज एन आरजे. ये वो टाइम है जबकि पता चल रहा है वो सुपर मॉडल कोई चीज होती है.
हमने बहुत फर्स्ट किए थे ना. We
Right.
wrote a lot of like, okay, first this, first that,
Right.
first music show, first.
Right.
हाँ, उसमें मजा आया था.
सो वो बोल्ड एंड ब्यूटिफुल पर्सनालिटी जो आपकी रही है व्हेन यू हैव बीन वर्किंग इन मीडिया, उसके बाद पाकिस्तान से बाहर आना एंड लाइमलाइट से बाहर जिंदगी गुजारना, जो आम लोग हैं वो इस बोल्डनेस को कैसे हैंडल करते हैं?
बहुत आराम से. I'm telling you, I don't have a different persona for the media and a different persona for myself. जो
Okay.
मैं हूँ वे हूँ,
Okay.
right? So even my friends, they know हाँ आयशा बहुत मुंह फटे. Like they know this about me. कि आयशा से अगर आप चाह रहे हो कि वो, बल्कि I had to take a training when I was coaching. Remember, I was a health coach for a while.
Right.
I had to take a training कि आयशा soft skills सीख लो. कि आराम से चीज़ें किस तरह से कही जाती हैं, because you can say the same thing. Because Americans बहुत जल्दी offend हो जाते हैं, बहुत जल्दी hurt हो जाते हैं, right? और हम देसी जो हैं, हम तो फट करके बोल देते हैं and हंसी मजाक में हो हाँ इतना कुछ कह
हर किस्म की बात कह देते हैं.
Exactly, but no one really, because they know कि आपकी नीयत साफ है, whatever, you're not there to harm you. I'm
Yeah.
just here to tell you what it is, right?
Right.
तो I had to take a soft skill training कि यही चीज़, और अब मुझे अब आदत पड़ गई कि कुछ बोलने से पहले सोचूं, अल्फाज पहले चुनूं कि इसको अगर ये मैंने ऐसे कहना है, नहीं आयशा पहले रुक जाओ and think about what is a more powerful way for me to frame it ताकि they can receive it. क्योंकि अगर कोई आप ऐसी बात इस कड़क तरीके से आप कहें जिसमें फिर वो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर पाए, तो क्या फायदा,
राइट।
आपका भी वक्त जाया, उनका भी वक्त जाया।
अच्छा, वैसे इंग्लिश की बात ये है कि इंग्लिश में अगर आप बात सॉफ्टली भी कह रहे हैं तो वो बिल्कुल टू द पॉइंट लगती है। उर्दू में यू डू हैव सर्टेन वर्ड्स के आप पतली गली से निकल सकते हैं।
इज बिकॉज माय फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज इज इंग्लिश,
राइट।
Okay, I grew up in a very multicultural household. So my father was Ada Gora, right? I never met my mother. My mother was Swiss, but my stepmother who brought me up, she was also Gori, Burmese, Pakistani, जो भी. तो हम लोग घर में सिर्फ अंग्रेजी में बात करते थे.
सही.
So I'm used to the construct of the English language where you can say things in a very point to point. तो जब मैंने उर्दू में communicate करना सीखा, I would literally translate from English into Urdu.
Okay.
जो फिर, so people say, oh, she's so blunt. It's like, no, that's how I'm translating, right? That's what makes sense to me. Now I have started, and of course, I'm by no means any expert. लेकिन अब थोड़ी सी मुझे वो हो गया है कि अच्छा ठीक है, इसको अगर आप इस तरीके से बोलें तो शायद वो ज़्यादा लोगों को कबूल हो.
नहीं, आप हमें हर रूप में कबूल है आयशा आलम, because I see that spark in your eyes even today, जो कि spark
Even today क्या मतलब है? मतलब ठीक है, मेरा पाँव क्या कब्र में लटके हुए हैं,
मतलब
क्या मतलब है?
What I mean by that is कि उस वक्त से कंपेयर कर रही हूँ जबकि वो स्पार्क मेरी आंखों में आया था when I saw you on television, and I am like, if she can do it, I can do it too. और बहुत सारी ऐसी लड़कियाँ थी जिन्होंने वो चमक देखी थी और वो चमक मुझे आज दिखी आपकी आंखों में, because पहले तो मैंने आपको सिर्फ टीवी स्क्रीन पर ही देखा था. लेकिन ये जो आपकी जर्नी रही है उस वक्त से लेकर राइट हियर इन ह्यूस्टन, और खासतौर पे ह्यूस्टन में जब आप आई हैं, यहाँ पर इतनी बड़ी ना फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है, ना यहाँ पे हमारी टीवी इंडस्ट्री है, ना इतनी बड़ी हमारी रेडियो इंडस्ट्री है, जो एक सेलिब्रिटी का ह्यूस्टन में आके एक एनोनिमस सी ज़िंदगी जीना, फिर उसमें बीच में आपकी हेल्थ जर्नी आई, उसमें बीच में यू आर अ रियल्टर नाउ एज वेल, सेलिंग होम्स, ये वाली जर्नी आई, एंड देन ऑल द अप्स एंड डाउन्स ऑफ लाइफ. कैसे आइडेंटिटी शिफ्ट हुई है? कौन है ये नई आयशा आलम?
सो आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा. सो anonymity जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हैं, I actually really loved it when I first came here.
Okay.
Because I could walk around and I remember thinking कि अच्छा अब who do I want to be, right? And movies में हम देखते थे हॉलीवुड में, right, कि कभी ये काम कर रहे हैं, कभी, तो उसमें मुझे एक्चुअली मजा आ रहा था.
Wow.
I took it as an adventure.
हर एक का ये नहीं होता, लोग डरते हैं इस जगह से ना.
किस बात से डरना है?
इतनी जिसने फेम देखी हो, सब लोग आपको recognize कर रहे हैं.
But you have to understand that fame is all very subjective.
Okay.
What does fame give you? All it gives you is recognition. That's it.
Right.
आपका किचन नहीं चलाता.
सही.
Right? आपके जो भी जिंदगी के मुश्किल आते हैं, they can't walk in your shoes. Only you can walk in your shoes. So fame means nothing. Really, fame means nothing.
Right.
And I was just.
You can say that, but इस वक्त TikTok पे इतनी सारी लड़कियां बैठी हुई कह रही अपनी फेम हमें दे दे थोड़ी सी.
आप प्लीज ले लें. नहीं, अल्लाह का शुक्र है. फेम से ज़्यादा इज्जत. For me, इज्जत is more important. Am I respected for who I am as a person, most of all. And of course the work that I do, right? That is important to me. Fame se zyada is the respect. Aur Allah ka shukr hai that I've been very, very blessed with. I'm very grateful for that. But the anonymity I enjoyed.
Okay.
Especially because when I came, I didn't know what to do. I literally Googled how to make money in America. I'm not joking. Literally मैंने Google खोला और मैंने कहा how do I make money quickly in America? तो वो आया था car sales.
अच्छा.
मैंने कहा ठीक है, फिर car sales करते हैं.
Okay.
And I remember I walked to the Toyota dealership and they said, have you ever sold cars before? मुझे हंसी आई. मैंने कहा no, I've driven cars. I've never sold a car. तो उसने कहा अच्छा ठीक है, हम आपकी background check करते हैं. मैंने कहा कर लें. तो एक हफ्ते के बाद उनको कोई response नहीं आया, तो I went back. I said आपका response नहीं आया क्योंकि मैं criminal हूँ. तो उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, आप criminal तो नहीं, आपका background check साफ आया. तो मैंने कहा तो फिर नौकरी मेरी. So he goes, okay, that's what I want. He said, ठीक है, नौकरी आपकी. So that's how I joined car sales. And I remember there was a big thing back home कि oh आयशा आलम देखो आप car sales में काम करिए. हक हलाल का काम था.
Absolutely,
so
absolutely.
And what I love about America is there's no पाकिस्तान में भी बड़े देखते हैं, oh ये वेटर है, oh ये फलां है. They look down on people working hard. And what I love about here is you can do any job. If you are working in a way that's bringing hak halal की कमाई, there's always
everyone
honor
respects
in that.
you.
There's honor in that.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. और आपने बात की being a car salesman. I mean, बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं वो इसको खुद अपनी तजलील भी समझते हैं कि भाई मैं ये स्टार, मैंने ये किया हुआ, इतनी लाइट्स, इतने कैमरास, इतने फैंस, लोग ऑटोग्राफ ले रहे हैं, तो उसके बाद ये आके किसी को कुछ सेल करना, आई थिंक दिस इज अ पर्सनालिटी टाइप बहुत कम लोगों की होती है ये, जो कि इसमें एक्साइटमेंट देखते हैं.
मुझे एडवेंचर लगा. It was an adventure and you made good money.
Right.
But it was a hard life. It wasn't easy. I think anyone in car sales knows that car sales is very, very difficult. Lekin Allah ka shukr hai, I did well, but then I got bored with it. I said, bas theek hai na. Then I moved on to health insurance, then I got into health coaching. और फिर last year, I decided कि नहीं Aisha, who I am is actually a performing artist. Who I am is a creative soul.
तो वो moment क्या था when you realized this? Like क्या हुआ था इस time पर? Because doing all those things, you set up Dreamers, which
Yes.
is your
Yeah.
organization. That
It's
is
my, yeah,
जिसने कि अभी
production
अभी
company.
अनारकली reimagined किया, उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. लेकिन
जी.
what was that moment? Was it a dark moment? Was it a
No. I think what happened was with this whole Palestine thing starting. I don't know if I
Okay.
can talk about it.
Yeah, go
Okay.
ahead, please.
So the whole Palestine thing starting up, and I was going out to the protests, and it moved me very deeply that ये इतनी injustice और एक ऐसे मुल्क में जिनको हमें बचपन में like we always thought of America as the freedom and ये और वो freedom of speech, freedom of this, and to see that tide shift और मेरा अंदर का जो activism जो है वो जाग उठा, right? So I first, someone had posted something कि we were auditioning someone to do a play for Palestine. और मुझे पता था ज़्यादा लोग उसके लिए audition के लिए नहीं जाएंगे because it was a very touchy subject, right? I said मैंने करना है. And then I did that. I was in Vermont for about 6 weeks. We were rehearsing and then we performed and mashallah did very well. And I was like, Aisha, this is your purpose. क्यों मैंने छोड़ा है? I said, this is what I know, this is what I love, and I feel like my soul is aligned when I'm doing something creative.
Okay.
So that was my moment for me. I came back and I said, last year, जब हमारा New Year's, I always make resolutions for the New Year.
Okay.
I was like, I am now going to step back into the power of who I am, and if I believe अगर Allah Mia gives you a gift, it's your responsibility then
Okay.
to use it.
Okay.
You can't let it go to waste because that is arrogance. कि अल्लाह मियाँ ने आपको कुछ दिया है और आपने ऐसे ही ज़ाया कर दिया.
सही.
आप कौन होते हैं इसको ज़ाया करने के लिए?
सही.
You know?
Beautiful.
So yeah, so that's how it.
Beautiful. I think कि ये बात जो है बहुत लोगों को इस तरीके से भी हिट करेगी because there's a lot of talent out there जो कि
And that's another thing. There is, मैंने कहा कैसे हो सकता है कि इतनी population यहाँ ह्यूस्टन में है और हमारी अपनी यहाँ की talent नहीं है, हो ही नहीं सकता.
Okay.
तो जब when I came up with and I wrote the script for Anarkali Reimagined in English, I auditioned for 8 months because I wanted to bring in new talent.
Okay.
And so the vision is we create our own talent pool here because it's an incredible talented pool. इतने लोग dancers हैं, आपके actors हैं, musicians हैं, directors हैं, writers हैं. हम क्यों नहीं कुछ create कर रहे? We have it all here. It's just a matter कि एक बंदा बस खड़ा हो जाए बोले let's do it and you watch people start to come.
So अभी जो अनारकली reimagined हुआ है, was it a one-off thing या फिर it is the beginning of
And
something?
ना करे one-off thing. No.
It's the beginning of
So
something?
it was an experiment. I wanted to see if there was a market, an appetite for it.
Okay.
And I was very blessed and very happy to see that there is definitely an appetite. 2 reasons. एक तो we're bringing South Asian stories, right, to a global audience. That's basically the goal. दूसरा, your second generation, your third generation immigrants who are not aware of our stories, of our legends, and they get to learn it in a very contemporary kind of way, in a way that's world class. Because I was told it was a world class production, so I'm going to just put it out there.
No, that's the only thing I expect from you.
Thank you.
But how do you? Because I think कि जितने भी ह्यूस्टन में इवेंट्स होते हैं, स्पेशली हमारी देसी कम्युनिटी की, उसमें जो फर्स्ट जनरेशन इमिग्रेंट्स हैं वो सबके सब, जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो सबके सब बैठ के एक ही सवाल कर रहे होते हैं कि भाई हमारे बच्चों को इसमें कैसे इंटरेस्टेड कराएं. तो हाउ डिड यू ब्रिंग द सेकंड एंड द थर्ड जनरेशन टू द प्ले?
Just social media. It was all the power of social media. Social
Okay.
media is incredible for that. And I guess what we had to say they could relate to, right? And right now, I think people are so used to just आप scroll कर रहे होते हैं. It's digital. You're not really connecting. The reason why I did immersive is because you feel like you're in it. So वो जो human जो energy होती है, and you feel that. जैसे you and I sitting and talking, right? We're
Right.
exchanging energy.
Right.
It's completely different from me watching you. Oh, Leena Shah is now doing a podcast.
Right.
Right? It's a very different feeling. So I
Right.
think that's how we kind of got to engage the young people.
The
Said,
young people?
Come, just interact with us. And of course, we all met with the audience afterwards. They got to come up to the actors, speak to the actors. अपने साथ उनके साथ तस्वीरें खींच रहे हैं.
Right.
So it was just it was just a very beautiful event.
So you think कि आपके आने वाले जितने भी projects हैं, if you have like the presence on social media, if you're promoting it, the younger generation is gonna get
I
involved
hope
in it?
so. I
Okay.
hope so.
All
And
right.
especially because we want to curate the younger generation and invite them to come and join us, either as talent or behind the scenes or however. We're inviting everyone. The table is huge. Come sit at the table with us.
Wow.
You know.
I love that expression. So अभी हम जो है इसमें थोड़ी सी मज़ीद excitement लाने के लिए I have a rapid fire round.
Okay.
Which is
Allah khair.
which has to happen. और इसमें जो है I have some random questions.
Okay.
So are you a morning person or a midnight thinker?
So it depends. I used to be a morning person. I have now become a midnight thinker.
Okay.
Yeah.
One word that describes you right now today.
Powerful.
Wow. And one current obsession.
Anarkali reimagined. It's become my obsession.
So there are going to be more of the same?
We're already commissioned. Asia Society is collaborating with us. We're doing it next year in October. I'm planning to take it internationally. We're planning to tour the US with it. So yes, it's definitely my obsession right now.
Okay. Now, what is better? Karachi street food या फिर Houston freedom?
Houston freedom.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is?
Karachi street food तो हम यहाँ भी बना लेते हैं.
हाँ वैसे ये बात तो है.
और आपके पास यहाँ पे इतना the food in Houston is amazing. You don't get to miss food in Pakistan.
Right.
So Houston freedom.
Okay. Houston freedom. Okay. What do you miss the most about life in Pakistan?
My friends.
Oh.
My friends. Because they become your chosen family. Like I get emotional when I even talk about them. My friends. Because they were literally my.
Do you want to give a shout out to a few of your friends right now?
Omer, Samar, Myra, Usman, Kublai, Zainab, my cousins. So yeah.
Oh wow! Oh wow!
Yeah.
So have you had a chance to make a lot of close friends here? क्या वो community यहाँ पर Houston में मिली है?
हाँ नहीं. एक तो पाकिस्तान कराची से तो बहुत से लोग अब यहाँ Houston shift हो गए हैं. So I've got old school friends, old college friends that are here.
Okay.
हम लोग we keep meeting. Like if not at least once a month तो मिल ही लेते हैं.
Right.
Plus I've been very blessed. I've gotten to know some very very wonderful people who've become very close
Oh
friends.
wow!
As well.
That's amazing. I mean नई जगह पे जाकर
बहुत मुश्किल है. And when you're older, it's very hard to make friends. It's very hard because बचपन के दोस्त तो आसान है because आप एक दूसरे के essence को जानते हैं, right? The innocence before all the external set in.
Right.
When you're older, I think it's harder because आप बहुत सी baggage पता नहीं ये कैसे समझेंगे. Like people have all these like skeptical things. कि will they judge me? Will they not judge me?
हम कितने weird हो जाते हैं old होते
बहुत weird हो जाते हैं. पता नहीं क्यों. You should never lose that childish side. भाई जो है सो है.
Right.
Your tribe will be with you.
Absolutely.
And just don't be afraid to be yourself. Your tribe will find you and you will find your tribe. I'm a big believer in that.
Yeah, I feel that too. But yeah, for me it's taking longer than expected.
And I'm weird as hell and that's okay. So, yeah.
And that's the coolest thing about us, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
No, do not strive for perfection.
Be your weird self.
अच्छा ये बताएं कि पाकिस्तान की ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है that you do not miss?
I don't miss the judgmentalness. I don't miss the bureaucracy. I don't miss the governmental BS.
Oh.
So, although having said that, the governmental BS is now started here.
Right.
But I don't miss that from Pakistan at all.
Right.
क्योंकि और अब बदतर से बदतर होता जा रहा है, right? घुटन सी माहौल बनती जा रही है पाकिस्तान में.
When was the last time you went?
2022. I went for knee
2022.
surgery, but I only went to Lahore.
Okay, so क्या फर्क feel हुआ?
I honestly had gone for my knee surgery. So
Okay.
literally I landed, I went the next day to the hospital and then the second day after that I was in surgery and then I was in recovery. So I didn't really get a chance to go out much.
Okay.
बस दोस्तों के साथ, you know. So
Right.
I didn't really get to see, but I could tell. I haven't been to Karachi. I've heard Karachi has become a dump. बहुत गंदा हो चुका है, whatever. And I don't like to say bad things about Pakistan, but
Right.
unfortunately, you know, जो है सो है, you know.
So you're saying you do not miss the, you know, how people were judgmental. And I can imagine a time, because I was maybe in the industry 10 years or 15 years after you,
Yeah.
and there was
'Cause
still...
you're a baby.
Yeah.
I'm like a dinosaur, right? So you probably came way after me.
No,
Yeah.
but उस वक्त तक लोगों के दिमाग बहुत खुल चुके थे, right?
हाँ,
फिर भी
हाँ.
because of the road that you paved.
We kind of like opened up a few
Yeah,
doors.
but still people were so much judgmental.
Yeah.
Being a woman, it's so
Yes.
difficult, and I can only imagine
Yeah.
for the first time our VJ comes out and asks these bold questions.
Yeah.
Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah.
Oh,
yeah.
हाँ, वो तो बहुत होता था. Like and people either hated me or loved me. There was never anything in between, and I was okay with that. But even with my family, right? Because I was the only one in my family who's gone into the media. It was
Okay.
unheard of.
Uh-huh.
You know, is घराने की लड़की, like now when I tell people,
Whoa.
oh, like it was a thing. Like it was a thing. But I was like, बस ठीक है, सही,
Okay.
it's fine. And I think we need more people who are willing to say things as they are.
Are you talking Mathira kind of bold?
So there's a place for that. She has her own audience.
Okay.
And you've got to respect that.
Right.
Because आपके audiences हर रंग में आएंगे. And one person is not going to be everyone's cup of tea. Right? I wanted a very different audience. And it's a very curated, very niche audience. And I was okay with that. So, yeah.
So right now, if we look at the industry back, you know, everything's gotten so big, the projects बड़े हो गए हैं, budgets बड़े हो गए हैं. How do you feel about it that, you know, the younger, जिनका कोई experience नहीं are getting paid more than the ones जिन्होंने इतने साल लगा दिए हैं और इतना वक्त गुजार दिया और इतना experience भी है उनका?
अल्लाह का शुक्र है that at least the industry is getting better.
Okay.
People are getting more respect for the work that they're doing, and the young generation are doing amazing work. Like I look at these young people, they're doing incredible work, and हमारी किस्मत नहीं थी.
Okay.
But I hope that they'll remember us as the people that came in and opened doors and pushed boundaries and started a journey that they are now taking advantage of, right? And why do we do things? It's not just for yourself. It's ताकि आगे लोग इसका benefit उठाएं, right? So I see that, I'm like, good for them, well done.
Okay.
Well done.
Nice,
Yeah.
I love that. I love your approach on life actually. It's so positive. It's like, just look at the stars, Leena. Why are you looking at something
exactly.
else?
It's like life is so beautiful. But it all depends on your own perspective.
Absolutely.
अगर आप हर चीज में से negativity निकालेंगे, आपको सिर्फ negativity ही मिलेगी. What you focus on grows. But if you look at the positive, और मेरा मानना ये है कि आप जितना आप यूं दोगे वो उतना ही आपको वापस मिलता है.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah.
So अल्लाह का बहुत शुक्र है, मुझे बहुत इज्जत मिली है, बहुत प्यार मिला है.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm very grateful for all of it.
That's
All of
amazing.
it.
So there's I know कि आपने 2 टेलीफिल्म्स भी बनाई थी. And
बहुत पहले.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत नाम थे, धूप की दीवार, ईमान, उम्मीद और मोहब्बत, राइट? आई थिंक एक और हम एक सेपरेट पॉडकास्ट करना है सिर्फ इन नामों को डिस्कस करने के लिए. लेकिन had you been back in Pakistan, would you be one of the pioneers for the film industry as well?
I would have liked to.
Okay.
I think when I was in Pakistan, I think an issue that I had is I think we discussed this earlier, right? I work in a very particular way. I like to pay people. I don't like to keep them hanging on कि आप 6 महीने तक उनके पैसे ना दें, जो आजकल बहुत कॉमन है पाकिस्तान में. You see actors and producers talking about it, right? और हमारे भी वक्त में मुझे याद है when I was a single mother, I would do a drama for very well-known TV channels. I'm not going to take their name because it's unnecessary because they're all the same. सब एक ही कपड़े के
सही बात है,
कटे हुए हैं, right? It makes no difference. And they'd be like, हाँ ठीक है 6 महीने बाद मिल जाए. It's like आप मेरे बच्चों के आप किचन मेरा चलाएंगे, बच्चों के स्कूल के फीस देंगे? नहीं ना. If I've done the work and it's gone on air, why am I not getting paid? Why am I having to come and beg you for money that is owed to me? So that is why I stepped back, which I feel is a shame. And I remember someone got very angry with me कि Aisha, why aren't you doing it? आप जैसे लोग अगर पीछे हटेंगे, like आप जैसे लोग कहना तो बहुत आसान है. किचन कौन चलाएगा मेरा?
सही.
Right? I have a responsibility to my kids, so I had to move away from that.
So do you think that's the reason that the drama industry is more thriving more than the film industry in Pakistan?
Oh, for sure. लेकिन आप note
लेकिन वो production houses तो वही हैं at the end of the day, right?
वही हैं. But you'll see they'll all be working on 3-5 different projects at the same time because उनको आपको rolling में रखना होता है. Right. Which is really hard to do. And if for me, like, or anyone who's got young kids, it's very hard. कि then आप या तो घर वालों को time दें या फिर आप ड्रामे में आए, right? So I had to make a decision. I was like, okay, my family is more important, so I had to step back.
I support that decision. That's amazing.
Yeah.
You know, उड़ती चिड़िया का एक question आया मेरे पास, okay, and she's saying कि Bollywood में पाकिस्तानी issues को लेके movies बनाई जा रही हैं, लेकिन पाकिस्तान में जो ड्रामे और मूवीज़ बन रही हैं उसमें you know वही घर की सियासत, वही you know जेलसी, वो छोटी छोटी बातें जो बड़े बड़े इश्यूज हैं जिससे कि आप माशरे को सुधार सकते हैं, बदलाव ला सकते हैं, उन पे काम नहीं हो रहा. Where are those visionaries?
ये मुझे शिकायत है from Pakistani media right now.
Okay.
I feel Pakistani media has dumbed itself down for the audience.
Oh.
Okay.
So when we are talking about Pakistani media, that's news, that's television, that's film, all of it.
Okay. Because they're only doing what they feel sells, and they're catering to the lowest form, right? They're not catering to the highly educated, and like, why aren't you making it aspirational? ताकि अगर किसी की सोच यहाँ है, शायद वो थोड़ी सी और रोशन ख्याली उनको मिल जाए, you know, in the
Right,
sense of
right.
it'll open up your mind a little
Right,
bit.
right.
The few things that for example, Bol, when that film came out, it made a huge splash. So there's obviously a market for it.
Right.
But हम बनाते नहीं हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें रेवेन्यू चाहिए, ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए, वो आपके रेटिंग जो भी होता है,
जो बिकता है वो
जो
चलता
बिकता
है.
है वो चलता है.
सही.
Alam Online is a classic example of that,
Right,
right? They were catering to a certain segment of society rather than making it aspirational and making it khulla. So what's happened is your country has now become narrower and narrower and narrower as far as the mindset is concerned.
I agree.
Right? You can't. I'm going to say it. अहमदी के बारे में आप बात नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं कर सकते.
It's a touchy topic. Why? हम सालों पहले, decades, हम सब आराम से रह रहे थे इकट्ठे. What's the problem now? We had Hindus, we had Christians, we had. अब तो लोग they'll drag them out, they'll lynch them in the streets, and people don't bat an eye. थोड़ा सा शोर होगा, फिर सब वापस अपने घर चले जाएंगे. Why? Because on TV and media, it's all propaganda, right? It's mind propaganda. What people see at a young age, you feel कि अच्छा ठीक है यही है. This is the construct of society, and I feel we need to give them a different way to think, a different way to be, a different way of speaking to each other, a different way of tolerating each other. वो tolerance जो है ना, वो बहुत कम होती जा रही है.
I agree with that. So because you know those people जो कि अभी भी काम कर रहे हैं और अभी भी you know यही फिल्में, यही ड्रामे, यही मीडिया क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. If I would ask you to take this opportunity and address them right now, especially those names who have disappointed you, who you think could have made this kind of content जो कि हमारे मुल्क को जो है वो रोशन ख्याल बनाए, उसको मतलब तरक्की पसंद बनाए, आम इंसान को, आम इंसान में कोई पॉजिटिव फीलिंग्स जगाए. Who would you name?
Leena, it's the TV channels, because they're the ones at the end of the day who give the money. अब चाहे आपका हम हो गया, चाहे आपका ARY हो गया, चाहे आपका Jio होगा, right? The director or the producer will take a concept and they have to approve it.
Right.
And if they feel कि नहीं इसकी रेटिंग्स नहीं आएंगी, इसके पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे, तो फिर बंदा कहाँ जाए? या फिर आप खुद से वेब सीरीज बना के, जैसे कुछ लोगों ने बनाई, चुड़ैल्स was a huge hit. It was very different, very bold, completely like it was an interesting story, but it was a risk someone took. Would they have done that on any kind of national television channel? Absolutely not, because पथरा हो जाता.
सही.
अभी क्या है लाजवाल इश्क, which is now creating
Aisha
like,
Umar's, yeah.
Aisha
I was
Umar
going to
wala,
ask you that. What do you think about that?
I mean, if people are watching it, it's obviously a success.
Right.
Even if they're watching it to criticize it,
Right.
देखना जरूरी है. फिर बाद में बोला हो देखो उसकी स्कर्ट कितनी छोटी थी.
Yeah.
आप देखते क्यों?
Yeah.
कंट्रोल तो आपके हाथ में है. और this is a web series. आपको बाकायदा ब्राउजर खोल के आपको वहां जाना पड़ता है देखने के लिए.
सही.
तो what are you doing on the browser? आप बाय चॉइस गए हैं, इसका मतलब है आप देख रहे हैं, इसका मतलब है आप you chose to watch it. And if people like you chose to watch it, then there's a market for it. And if there's a market for it, someone's going to cash in on it. Why not?
So Aisha Alam, वो कौन सी एक thin line है, which you think after all this conversation, which you think that you can walk to start with your home city here, Desis and home city, enlighten them, because हमारे यहाँ ह्यूस्टन में भी तंग नज़र लोगों की कमी नहीं है. You've been here, we know that. यहाँ पर भी पैसे ना देने वालों की कमी नहीं है. आप आके काम करके चले जाएंगे and you won't get paid.
Yep.
So what thin line can you walk? What kind of projects can be created? What is your vision? How can you bring about this change?
So it's kind of what I started in Pakistan, is I'm curating my community.
Okay.
I'm curating the people I want to work with.
Curating a community का क्या मतलब है?
मतलब, so for example,
Explain
जो मैंने
करें.
अनारकली reimagined the theatre play that I did, right? So I auditioned, I found some people, अब उनमें से छानबीन करके, I'm going to continue to take those people on with me. अनारकली reimagined will come back again next year, इंशाल्लाह वो Asia Society के साथ, वो तो अपनी चीज वो एक engine अब बन गई है, वो
Very
चल
nice,
रहा है,
very
right?
nice.
But I'm also now thinking, okay, what's the next project? I want to do a film. I want to start to nurture writers. I want to nurture more directors and really start to create our own community. And we kind of become an ecosystem of people.
Okay.
But I'm being very, very intentional on the mindset of people.
Okay.
Now, this doesn't mean that, oh, she's liberal or and आपने छोटे छोटे कपड़े पहन के अब नंगा घूमना है. नहीं, it's not mindset of your libas. It's your mind.
Your thoughts.
Your actual, what is your outlook on life?
Okay.
Those are the kind of people that I want to curate.
Wow.
So, yeah.
It's a difficult project.
It is. but it's so much fun because as you start to, वही वाली बात है, when you start to state who you are and are very clear with who you are and what you want, you'll attract those kind of people. Because people who are not like that don't want to be around you.
Right. वो खुद ही छट जाएंगे.
वो खुद का खुद filter out हो जाता है.
Okay.
So it becomes a very natural process. So it's a very organic grassroots movement.
More power to you, and
Thank
you know,
you.
wishing
Thank
you
you.
success on that.
Thank you.
And right now we're gonna pivot a little bit from all the professional life to
God.
your personal life as well.
Okay.
Obviously, celebrities की personal life तो हमेशा से, you know,
Right.
everyone is curious, everyone wants to know when you were, you know, a VJ and an RJ and a producer and a
Right.
director and an actress in Pakistan. उस टाइम पर आपकी लव लाइफ का चर्चा बहुत हुआ, you know, there would be columns and people would want to
Right.
see pictures
Want
of
to
you
know,
and your
yeah,
loved ones,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
तो आप बताइए कि right now क्या love का क्या scene है जिंदगी में?
कोई सी नहीं है. Love is बिल्कुल zero, zilch. And honestly, I have been so, as I said, my obsession is now my work
Okay.
and what I'm trying to create.
Okay.
So I don't think I've even left room for a love life.
Don't you think you need like a partner in life, a partner in
Why?
crime, a
Why?
friend?
दोस्त हैं मेरे पास, बहुत दोस्त हैं.
Okay.
And that's enough for me. मैं बहुत सुकून में हूँ.
पर अगर कोई
बहुत
आता है
सुकून.
ऐसा,
This is the reason why I haven't even gotten a pet. मुझे ना कुत्ता ना बिल्ली भी चाहिए. Because for the first time in my life, after years, ना मुझे किसी के खाने की फिक्र है, ना मुझे किसी की वो फिक्र है कि हाय यहाँ पे जाना है, ओहो. Like I have zero liabilities.
Okay.
And I love it.
Okay.
There's so much freedom in it.
Okay.
कि now I can just focus on what I want to focus on. कोई वो नहीं है मेरे आगे पीछे कि अच्छा नहीं आज ये करते हैं वो. No, I don't feel like it.
but you're so beautiful, so young, so
Thank
powerful,
you, very
so
sweet. Not so young,
Yeah,
but
but you know, so stunning. But अगर कोई ऐसा आता है, so are you at that point where you have like closed the doors now, and या फिर is there the possibility of
I've learned in life to never say never because
Okay.
you never know,
Right.
right? But right now it's not my focus.
Okay.
It's not my focus.
So अगर किसी को आपको sweep off करना हो off your feet, okay, so
आप उनको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. I am not so easily impressed.
like क्या
I am
करना
not
पड़ेगा?
so easily
कुछ
impressed.
tips दे दे.
मैं क्या tips मतलब literally
How to
I
impress
pity
Aisha Alam?
anyone. I pity anyone that actually wants to impress me because I'm very hard to impress.
Okay.
क्योंकि मैंने जिंदगी में इतना कुछ देखा है.
Uh-huh.
And I've seen there's a lot of BS out there,
Uh-huh.
right? And unfortunately, अब मुझे पहचान भी थोड़ी बहुत है of red flags, right?
Okay.
And I can usually see a red flag coming in a mile away. I might smile, I might be very sweet, but I'm like, dude, I've clocked you. Not gonna work. Not
Oh my
gonna
God.
work. So,
Okay, चले
yeah,
अगर किसी
yeah.
का red flag ना हो
हाँ.
और वो आना चाहे तो
I
आपको
need
impress
someone with
करेगा.
integrity. I
Okay.
need someone with principles.
Integrity, principles.
These are very important. Like इस पे तो compromise ही नहीं है.
I love that.
And your ज़बान, for me ज़बान is the biggest thing. अगर आपने ज़बान किसी चीज़ की दी है,
Uh-huh.
then you show up for your ज़बान.
Okay.
End of story.
I love
इस
it.
पे तो कोई compromise ही नहीं है.
तो भाई अगर आप इम्प्रेस करना चाह रहे हैं आयशा
ना
आलम को तो आपके कॉल और फेल में तजाद नहीं होना चाहिए. That is the most important thing.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
wow, what a delight it has been talking to you. We can go
Thank
on
you.
for hours and hours, but we have to say goodbye.
What time is up already?
Yeah,
Wow.
मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे ये और ये के
Emotions आ रहे हैं आपको.
yeah, इशारे आ रहे हैं कि अब आप sign off करें and
Right.
you know just thank the
Nina,
guest.
thank you so much for having me as your guest. I'm really excited to finally meet you and actually
Yes,
sit down and talk
yes.
to you. You're phenomenal and you're doing
Thank
great
you.
work.
Thank you so
good
much.
job.
Yeah. It was so good to have you right here in the studios, talk to you, see you smile for real in person. You know, for me, it's like, you know, आपके growing up, जो आपका एक crush होता है, जो आपकी एक
Oh
inspiration
gosh,
होती है,
you're
you're like,
so sweet.
wow, यार ये क्या दबंग बंदी है यार. You know,
Thank you.
ऐसा हो सकता है क्या किसी दिन कि मैं भी ऐसी हूँ. So she has been one of
You're
those
totally,
people.
you're like rocking it.
Thank
you're a
you.
rock star.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Yeah. And Aisha Alam with us right here in the studios. Tea and Talk के इस episode पे हम कहेंगे bye-bye, खुदाफिज. And before I go, I have to tell you that if you want to come to this podcast studio, अपना podcast अगर आप record करना चाहते हैं, you want to tell the world your story, give our team a call. और यहाँ पे special thanks to Basit Jalili of International Art Society, जिनका ये studio है जो कि इस कोशिश में है कि आप तक इन तमाम गेस्ट के मैसेजेस पहुंचाए जा सके. And a special thanks to our technical team as well, Suhail Nawaz, who's right behind the camera, who's making sure that we look pretty and beautiful. Thank
Thank you.
Take care. Hafiz.